What is up, you guys? Today we have a carbon fiber shark fin that goes on top of this. I've got the box right here, so let's pretty standard package, came from China. I won it in an eBay bid. They said it's real carbon fiber, but we'll see. We have it out in the sun. Looks really good. Nice carbon fiber on it. Just bring it over here, make sure it fits. There we go. Fits great. It's got this little 3M tape on it. Hopefully that'll make it stick. Alright, now we just remove this. In the packaging, some of the red, kind of like the red sticky part that keeps it from not having stuff stick to it, came off, so we'll see if it'll still work after. In the corners, it's not done the nicest, but let's see once we put it on if it looks better. Doesn't seem to be the snuggest, but it'll definitely stay on like when you're on the freeway. Now that I'm thinking about it, I totally forgot to wipe it down. So, and it's pretty dirty, so we'll see if it stays on. If not, for its final look, it looks pretty good with the M3 style mirror caps. And then also the carbon fiber wing, which looks really good. Turn the flash on just to get a better look so you can get this to focus. You can see, pretty good. Looks good. Get a couple of different angles. Looks good. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to hit the like button and go follow BMW.Gremlin. Alright, peace out.